got those games all planned. Smith is good with the marching band. However, he's got those boys upright. We can hardly wait for Friday night. We got Griff, Jeff, Gerald, John. We beamed Scotty up. Bow ties going. We got Deputy Skaggs with our SRO. His thumb's in his belt now. He's ready to go. Kids are coming. Don't you run away. Kids are coming. Be strong now and stay. You gotta teach them how to read. You gotta give them everything that they need. Kids are coming. There's a prize to be won. Kids are coming. Golden apple, you're done. It's really bad, isn't it, Mr. Randall? Verse 2. Michael, Allison, Kevin, and Shannon. Middle school kids, yeah, that's what they've been given. They got acne, drama, and a love at first sight. Puberty is calling. Oh, what a fright. We got Bruce, Gretchen, Greg, and now Devin. They believe those little ones are next to heaven. But drying those eyes and cleaning up snot leaves most of our stomachs tied up in a knot. Kids are coming. Don't you run away. Kids are coming. Be strong now and stay. You gotta teach them how to read. You gotta give them everything that they need. Kids are coming. There's a prize to be won. Kids are coming. Golden apple, you're done. Okay, one more verse. You want to hear it? Okay. Julie, she'll continue to call. The district for sure must know it all about the cookies and the deadlines and the PTA. Go pick them up or double you pay. We got a new guy, Ron, to do transpo. Easy job. We lock the windows of buses break. Snow comes down, he will probably be catching a bus out of town. Kids are coming. Don't you run away. Kids are coming. Be strong now and stay. You gotta teach them how to read. You gotta give them everything that they need. Kids are coming. There's a prize to be won. Kids are coming. Golden apple, you're done.